The green patches that are patterned across the blue hue of ocean give our Earth its stunning appearance from space. The only thing that allows the Earth to support a variety of life forms is these green areas. However, in recent decades, the rapid climate change, clearly a result of less green cover, and its direct impact on man have changed the popular perception of how crucial the environment is to their self-preservation. MCL has accepted responsibility for addressing this pressing problem while focusing on sustainable development. As a statutory compliance action, MCL is regreening the areas in its mines and degraded land through plantation.
MCL हम लोग को एरिया हैंड ओवर करता है सर। उसके बाद हम लोग 2 बाई 2 में पौधा लगाते हैं। पौधा लगाने के लिए 45 बाई 45 का गड्ढा खोदते हैं सर। उसमें उसके बाद टॉप सॉइल मिट्टी डालते हैं उस पर, फिर उसके बाद पौधा लगाते हैं।
Since its inception, MCL has planted more than 73.8 lakh plants over 3,550 hectares. The plantation works are taken up both in mines and outside mine areas in districts like Angul, Cuttack, Jharsuguda, Sundargarh, Sambalpur and Khordha in collaboration with the Department of Forest, Environment and Climate Change, Government of Odisha, and independent experts in state forest planting agencies like OFDC and CGR VVNL. MCL is the trailblazer in Miyawaki technique of plantation in the Indian coal mining sector, started since 2022 and has completed 10-hectare Miyawaki plantation.
Miyawaki technique रे जो सनलाइट से 8 ରୁ 10 घंटा पाइबा दरकार याफल गछ गुड़ाक वाइड होगी न बढ़ी सी टॉप कैनोपी तार कवर कर प्रति मास आम या मॉनिटरिंग करूँ कि गछर ग्रोथ केते रहउची।
Miyawaki is a unique plantation technique which recreates the conditions required for a mature natural forest to grow in decades. This not only restores native biodiversity but also creates a site that is more resilient to climate change with more carbon sequestration. The plants used are mostly native like neem, karanj, sal, ashoka, amla, arjun, etc., with at least 30% fruit-bearing plants like jackfruit, guava, mango and bale, etc., and self-sustaining after 3 years with at least 80% survival rate in 36 months using plantation technique that is based on the Government of Odisha plantation guidelines. In the capital city Bhubaneswar, through urban tree plantation, MCL has planted 2.9 lakh plants over 210 hectare land since 2017-18.
ये जो प्लांटेशन है ता द्वारा ये कैपिटल सिटी भीतर एटा गोटे कार्बन सिंक भाया एक्ट करुँचे एवं दिस बिकम्स एक्टिंग एज ए लंग्स ऑफ भुवनेश्वर। ये प्लांटेशन जुगु आमर सॉइल कंजर्वेशन बहुत होइछि, सॉइल इरोजन कमी आ जो रन ऑफ वाटर होतला रन ऑफ वाटर प्राय चेकअप होइछि।
Through massive plantation, MCL has been successfully capturing 1.62 lakh ton of carbon dioxide.
फॉरेस्ट वाले सेठी गछ आनी लगेले तापर आम गाँ लोक भी सेठी काम कले आसिकरी आमे माने भी करूँ मुई भी करुछे सेने काम पैसा पतर भी ठीक आकार मिलुछि।
MCL रो मु देखि आसी 5 वर्ष हो गलानी से बहुत पर्यावरण उपरे से बहुत स्टेप नहीं चलछि। जगह जगह से प्लांटेशन करी आसी आगरो बहुत डस्ट होतला किंतु बे ये गछ जो डस्ट गुड़ा भी बहुत कमी गलानी।
With this, MCL aspires to develop a thriving indigenous forest habitat that provides a variety of social, environmental and biological benefits in addition to carbon capture.